Hello, my name is Brandon Kyle the Cinephile, and this is my interpretation of Stanley Kubrick's 2001 A Space Odyssey. Many have argued the meaning of the film, from the literal elaboration of evolution on Earth to the existential searching for an unnecessary god to, as the title might very well suggest, a science fiction adaptation of Homer's The Odyssey. While 2001 might very well be a combination of all of these theories, I have noticed another potential interpretation. According to this reviewer, 2001 A Space Odyssey is an elaborate and imaginative depiction of the miracle of conception from initial penetration to the sparks of life. The entire loading dock space sequence in the first half of the film is undoubtedly an overtly explicit sex scene, the Pan Am space plane being a phallic symbol slowly entering the space station in a very suggestive manner. After this rather lengthy sequence of sensuality and ejaculation, the second act begins with the Discovery 1 beginning its long voyage to the moons of Jupiter. It is not impossible to compare the spacecraft to that of a sperm, and the planet Jupiter to that of an egg. Upon reaching Jupiter, Kubrick does something unexpected. For an inordinate length of time, we are greeted with a meditative and psychedelic color and light show known as the Stargate sequence. This is the ultimate representation of the origin of life, the Big Bang, which life and existence comes to being. In biological terms, it is the very moment when the sperm penetrates the outer shell of the female egg. This sequence is immediately followed by a rapidly aging Dave Bowman within a white, sterile hotel room, the room being a metaphor for the womb. The final image of the film is the single most telling clue to Kubrick's enigmatic mystery. 2001 A Space Odyssey concludes with the birth of a baby. From spaceships choreographed in a dance of intercourse to the birth of a child, 2001 A Space Odyssey is about the miracle of life and the biological process of conception. Upon being asked by an interviewer about what it all means, Stanley Kubrick replied, "You're free to speculate as you wish about the philosophical and allegorical meaning of the film, and such speculation is one indication that it has succeeded in gripping the audience at a deep level. But I don't want to spell out a verbal roadmap for 2001 that every viewer will feel obligated to pursue, or else feel he's missed the point." My name is Brandon Kyle Goco, and this concludes my interpretation of Stanley Kubrick's 2001 A Space Odyssey. See you next time.